Now, here's a question every new Claude Code user asks. Where am I, and is everything actually working? Welcome to Lesson 6 of the Claude Code course, where we meet 3 little orientation commands. /help shows you what's available, /status tells you exactly where you are, and /doctor checks that your installation is healthy. All 3 are read-only, so we can run them freely anytime. Let's open a session and run all 3, starting with /help to see what commands we actually have. First, we type /help. This is the command you reach for when you forget a command name, which happens to everyone. It lists every /command available in your session, plus the keyboard shortcuts, so you never have to memorize anything up front. There it is. Claude Code prints the full list of /commands with the keyboard shortcuts underneath. Notice there are no flags to remember here. /help simply shows you everything in one place. Whenever you feel lost in a session, this list is your map. Next, we type /status. Think of this one as asking, where exactly am I right now? It reports the version you are running, the model currently answering you, how you are logged in, and which working directory the session is anchored to. Here's our answer. For facts on one screen, the Claude Code version, the current model, the account and login method, and the working directory. When something behaves oddly, or you're juggling several projects at once, this is the fastest sanity check you have. Finally, the health check. We type /doctor, and Claude Code examines the installation itself, the version, the auto-updater, and file permissions. If anything is broken or misconfigured, this is the command that finds it and flags the problem for you. While /doctor works through the version, the auto-updater, and permissions, flagging anything broken, here's the habit worth keeping. All 3 commands are read-only with no flags, so run them freely /help when you're lost, /status when you're unsure, and /doctor whenever something feels off. Here's what to keep. So 3 commands, 1 job, orientation. /help lists every /command and keyboard shortcut, so you never need to memorize the interface before you start working. Then /status answers the where questions. Your version, the current model, how you're logged in, and the working directory your session is anchored to. And /doctor is your mechanic. It checks the version, the auto-updater, and permissions, then flags any problems it finds. All 3 commands are read-only with no flags to learn. Head over to Standarity.com for more hands-on courses like this one. Then meet us in Lesson 7, where we put /init to work.